Wishing you all a happy Diwali, Samvat 2078. If you are a stock market investor, you would have known about what is Samvat, and because every year we are celebrating Diwali with Muhurt trading, which used to happen in the evenings. So this year, how you can plan, because Muhurt trading is all about sharing about the investment, sharing about the financial planning, and what will work for the next 1 year. By now, you would have heard a lot of brokers sharing about the Muhurt picks for the next 1 year. So this is Ganesh through your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan. I'm just going to share about my views on Deepavali, because in South, in Chennai and Tamil Nadu, we used to say as Deepavali or Deepavali and or Happy Diwali to all my friends all across India, right? So today's topic is all about Samvat 2078 and how you can plan. I'm going to share about the mutual funds and stock picks from my side. All these are educational purpose. There is no you should consult your advisor, or you should consult your properly, and then you should look at investing. So the first and foremost, you can always plan for your Diwali, because every year the Diwali always brings in lots of memories, lots of expenses along with it, right? Because we used to spend a lot of money, we used to make money for this Diwali, and even if you're not having, we will always borrow money, take a personal loan, and we will celebrate. We need to celebrate this. So there is no question about it. Can you start planning for the next Diwali from now? Can you start investing for it? This is the point, because every year, if the expenses, if you're a family of bigger family, minimum of 10,000 rupees, 5 to 10,000, along with sweets, traveling and celebrating and watching movies and everything, it may even go to 10 to 20,000 or some. And I know people who spends a lot of amount on crackers, sweets, dresses, and everything. There is no wrong. Please go and do it, because that is the reason we are earning a lot. We are working hard, and just to be with the family, celebrating all these things, we should do it. So, coming back to the most important point, how to plan right now for the next 1 year. You can always put your money in arbitrage fund. Arbitrage is nothing but you start investing on a monthly basis, and at the end of next year, after 365th day, if you're withdrawing, it's completely tax free. And the returns, whatever you're going to get, is around 5 to 6% based on the volatility of the stock market, and for sure you'll be getting around at least 4 to 5% to 6%, and it's completely tax free, instead of putting your money in RD, or you're going to get tax tedious. And if you're going to put your money in a fixed deposit, anyway you're going to get tax. But if you're putting your money in arbitrage fund on a monthly basis, you'll be getting around 5 to 6%. This is the biggest advantage of investing in this fund. This is for Diwali next year, Deepavali. Okay, this is for that. And what is my stock pick for this year going forward? Because right now, if you look at stock market is available at higher valuation, and the sectoral wise, it's always like expensive. Some of the stocks are expensive, and the earnings are good. Earnings are mixed reactions, I will say, because of chip shortage issues, because of all these so many reasons, and liquidity is driving the market. Everybody is will say yes to it. If you're analyzing all the articles, all the newses across Money Control or Economic Times or anywhere, it's liquidity, and there is no site where when it will get dried up, and we don't know. And last couple of months, last month and this month till now, this week, almost FIS started taking the money out, and we don't know when they will start taking the money out. And suppose if there is a issue in China, because it's slowly Evergrande has started, and all these things are coming up, and also in US, the withdrawal of quantum easing. Right now, every month, $120 billion of money is getting Federal Reserve is paying for withdrawing for getting the junk bonds, right? And they are going to bring it down to 20 to 30 billion dollars. It's one fourth. It's going to be one fourth down, and it may have consequences. And inflation is also going up across the world, not only in India, across the world. There are positive points all across stock market. They are talking only about positives, and people are just saying fear of missing out rally that is also started coming up. So these are symptoms or red flags or whatever it is. You can take it up, and you should always focus upon what I am investing. So for the next 1 year, banking and financials, it has not performed a lot in the last 10 months, I will say, this year. So you can start focusing on it. And more than anything, the NPAs had everybody were fearful. Even I was fearful. But the point is, because of that, the NPAs are down right now. As of now, it looks down, and the banks have done extremely well. They had increased their capacity, CAR capacity adequate. ratio is very high, and also the NPAs are low, and comparatively, everybody feared it is going to increase, but it didn't. So the point is, banking and financials looks good. The top sector banks, the SBI, HDFC or ICICI looks good, and FMCG right now the valuations are gone down because of consumer sentiment is poor, raw material cost has increased, and even after increasing the marginal increase in hike, but still the stocks then the profitability bottom line has come down. So all these points is that FMCG is getting lower and lower. So that this is the right time to enter, because this is a contrarian move and it's a safer bet. Whatever I'm saying is a safer bet for the next 1 year or so. And pharma has been battered out like anything, gone down like anything. So pick quality stocks which is going to focus on PLI schemes of India, and which are in the space of API. Majority of the companies are in that space. So look at the quality of the company, look at the all the fundamental analysis of the company, and focus on companies like Cipla, Biocon, Dr. Reddy's. All these are companies which are expanding, which is having good ratios, ROEP and everything. You can focus upon that. So FMCG again, HUL, Britannia are still down, and Colgate the multiples are still down, and there are Tata Consumer Products, which is my top pick in the FMCG segment, I'll say. So these are my top three sectors. I had recommended top few companies, few stocks in this till now. So all these are for pure educational purpose. Please consult your financial advisor before putting your money, because this is something like educational purpose. This will give you a good returns for the next 1 year, and this for people who are ready to take risk. And if it is okay for you to stay invested in stocks, you can get in, right? And if you are okay to invest in mutual funds right now, if you're having so few thousands or few lakhs, you can focus upon, as I said, arbitrage for planning for the next year Diwali. And along with that, few other points are looking after the flexi cap fund, because money is going between the mid cap, small cap to large cap. So in that ratio, if people are able to identify, flexi cap can be one good option along with multi cap. If you're already there, increase your investments, you can always do that. And if you're looking to invest a lump sum amount, put your lump sum in debt fund and start transferring it into equity fund, multi cap or flexi cap for long term, maybe 3 to 5 years for sure you should stay. That is when you will get your good returns. So among flexicap and multicap, Axis is having, Kotak is doing good in both these categories. Along with HDFC has done well. So HDFC is going to launch a multicap fund, and ICCI launched, I think, a new NFO was launched a couple of months ago on flexicap, I think. So all these are says that market is launching new fund offers. If you're not there, go and invest, or else just for the sake of investing, don't opt for NFO. Choose a fund which has done well in the last few years, maybe the last 3 to 5 years, and then look to investing. So wishing you all once again a happy Deepavali. Wishing you happy and prosperous next 1 year. So please do subscribe to my channel. Please share this video with your friends, so that they also know what this new year is going to give it to them. And if you want prosperity in your life and in your friends' life, please share this video and let them also be cautious and also invest, because you can't be cautious all the time, and you should always take the risk. And these are the sectors which will perform, these are the funds which will perform going forward. Thank you so much for watching.